Hey and welcome, I'm Ezinma. In today's video, I'm going to share tips on how to maintain your sofa and how to style your snug sofa. Before we start the video, don't forget to like this video, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. Also click the notifications bell so that you can get instant notifications each time I share a new video. Right, so before I show you how to style this gorgeous little beauty, I'm just going to give you a few tips to maintain your snug sofa. To maintain the best appearance of my snug sofa, I make sure I treat each stain immediately before it is fully absorbed, just so that I don't have to struggle with seeing a stain on my sofa for a very long time. Another thing that I also do to maintain my sofa is I do not rub any stains at all. I just carefully soak up any spillage by gently blotting with a clean or dry, absorbent cloth. And then I try to clean the stain using a damp cloth in a circular movement. I also do not use household detergents or strong chemicals on my snug sofa. So I just wanted to show you guys the legs of my gorgeous little snug sofa, and this one is the brown leg. They also have a black leg. Yeah, but I just love the brown leg on the mid-grey Snuggler sofa. So this is the 1.5 seater. It could fit, two people, but it will obviously make you really snug when you're on it. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys how I would style this lovely little beauty. This snug sofa is high quality and durable, and for you to better maintain the condition of your furniture, it's always nice for you to give it plenty of TLC by cleaning it regularly using your vacuum. You could use the curtain attachment of your vacuum, and also try to plump the cushions daily, just so that you can maintain the bouncy, soft and sturdy texture of your cushions. And also, do not drag the furniture because you could damage the legs or the frame. Yeah, those are a few tips for you to maintain the condition of your snug sofa. So now I'm just going to show you how to style your snug sofa. I love to add throws on my sofa just to make it inviting and warm. I also love to add cushions. You could pop like different cushions in different shapes and sizes on your snug sofa. I've just popped my pink square cushion because pink and grey goes well together, and now I've popped my purple circle cushion. Even though I have carpet flooring, I love to add a rug on my carpet just to make my feet warm. And this fluffy one is so nice to have on carpet or even wooden flooring. Depending on the size of your room, you could add a side table. You could just stack up some books on there that you want to read, or you could add plants or a decoration. So yeah, this is how I would style my snug sofa. I would put cushions on it, a throw, a piece of rug on the floor, and a side table with some books or decoration on the table. Yeah, or simply move it closer to the living space and then just let it be like an added chair in my living room, so I can watch TV or just work on my computer whilst there. So I've basically put this setup just to show you guys how to style the snug sofa, but after this video I'm putting my snug sofa back where it belongs. But just for this video I just wanted to show you guys like a setup of how I would style it if my snug sofa was in front of a wall. So my snug sofa arrived in 3 days, even less than 3 days, like 2.5 days if possible. It was super fast delivery, and then it was inside a box. So basically snug sofa is a sofa in a box, so it's easy to pass through any doors. You don't have to break down your door just to get your sofa in. Yeah, and that was really good. It was really impressive for me. And then it was easy to set up. All I needed to do was just like click the armrest into the base, and then click the backrest into the base, and then pop on the legs, the brown legs on this sofa. They put the cushions on top, and that was it. It was so easy to set up. It was easy to assemble. I think I assembled mine in like 5 minutes, so that was brilliant. We enjoy sitting on it. The kids love jumping on it. That's to show you how soft and nice and bouncy the foam seats are, and it's so good. I love sitting here to just sip my tea or coffee, read a book, work on my laptop, or just Netflix and chill, really. Yeah, so yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, please make sure you like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. I post videos regularly, and I would love for you guys to join the family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.